5 Best Steam Cleaner for Bed Bugs in the Market Reviews. Number 1. Dupray Neat Heavy Duty. In the budget range, Dupray Neat is a minimalistic and light cleaner. At the time of full heating, its liquid temperature can turn to 135 degrees Celsius or more easily. That's why this is better to kill 99.9% of bacteria, viruses, germs, bedbugs and other unexpected things from the bed. As liquid of steam, it needs water on it which can perform 50 minutes long. No chemical or unexpected use. The most attractive part of this steam cleaner is you can clean your floor and other surfaces besides the bed. You just need to cover its streaming end by the towel. No need to use pads or other things. Moreover, the company will give a 2-year service warranty. People who want a steam bug cleaner in budget range, Dupray Neat is perfect for them. Besides cleaning and sanitizing, it will restore the fresh smell of your bed or floor. Number 2. McCulloch MC1275. A few of company offers steam cleaner with a jet nozzle. McCulloch MC1275 is such the cleaning device that you can take to use in the home in a limited budget. Its compact design will give you the freedom to use it as a steam mop or bed bug cleaner. Its inbuilt 45-ounce water container can contain water for 45-minute service. But the interesting thing is you can use it for exactly 45 minutes without any waste. Because it has a trigger button that can lock that you can use when you need it. While steaming, it creates 43 psi pressure with extreme heat. That is enough to kill germs, bed bugs and remove the unexpected mole. With each unit of McCulloch MC1275, you will have 18 items of accessories for mopping and steaming. There it will have 2 sets of microfiber and scrubbing pad which you can use for cleaning bugs from the bed. Its 15.5 feet power cord and 9 feet long steam hose will give you more flexibility. Number 3. Pure Enrichment. For heavy-duty need, Pure Enrichment is the best bed bug steam cleaner. Its minimalistic design will draw your attention easily. Because it is 7.05 kilograms in weight, it has a couple of wheels to move anywhere. Even it has hand carry opportunity on its top. It can contain 1.5 liter water to generate steam which can give service up to 45 minutes easily. There you will have 16 feet long power cord with it to cover steaming all the surface. Moreover, to management the cord, there is a built-in cord wrap system. It cleans grease, mold, sticky, stain and bugs too by its high-pressure water stream, not using chemicals. Its high-psi steam pressure will kill all types of bug, insect, even 99% germs from your bed, sofa, pillow, and curtain. Not only that, it has 18 pieces of attachment set to clean both indoor and outdoor floors, tiles, furniture, stain, and other things. Number 4. HoMedics Cleaner. People who want to avoid the liquid refilling burden, but want something more productive, HoMedics Cleaner is for those people. Its updated technology release itself from water streaming and hose connection and other. Rather it is such type of device that you can carry on your hand. To cleaning it have used advanced HEPA filter. It can kill bugs to 0.3 microns germs which are 99.9% cleaning. It has 253.7 nanometers UV tube which increases 20% more cleaning rate from the deep of the bed, pillow, mattress, carpet or blanket. At the same time, it is working as the vacuum cleaner. Its 6000 cycle min suction rate is handheld and suck all the unexpected things. The total setup of the HoMedics Cleaner designed more lightweight. Its 2.50 kilograms physical construction makes it handy. Because of its portability and inside rechargeable power source, you can use it anywhere without the burden of the power cord. Number 5. Steamfast SF370WH. In the budget range, Steamfast SF370WH will give you high-pressure steam cleaning. This will take away all the bugs, insects, germs from your bed. Because of high pressure, it will not only clean but also remove odor and restore the fresh smell again. In a water tank it can contain 1.2-liter water it is inside to make steam. After a complete refill, it can perform 45 minutes long without any wasting. To give break during use, there is a trigger button that you can release. To become heat up to 200 F it does not need more than 15 minutes. All types of mopping and cleaning equipment will give. Different types of brush and cleaner will make easy the mopping on this. Besides that, you will have a pair of microfiber pad that you can use for either mopping or steam on to cleaning bugs.